With Seedance 2.5 and Topview Canvas, you can create longer 30-second single-shot videos with more control.
You destroyed my entire tray.
Yeah, that part didn't generate right.
What?
Watch.
How?
Clip edit. Fix that one part, didn't redo the whole thing. Made with Seedance 2.5 and Topview Canvas.
Story starts, scenes, clips. The agent builds the whole thing, everything inside Topview Canvas.
What are you doing here?
50 reference assets.
Wait, so I'm not real? You prompted me?
Comment wow for the full guide and try Seedance 2.5 in Topview Canvas.